Hey YouTube. Okay, so this is just a simple way to use the Monkey Beaver Speedline kit or webbing slings in general. So I've got a redirect here. I've got a sling here so it stops the rope from coming toward me when Ryan puts tension on it. And then I'm actually rigging off two slings opposed. Make sure your gates are opposed. This little top just right there. It's not very big. We got a fence underneath it. She doesn't want damaged. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody. Let me try to see if I can get it for y'all. Hang tight. You ready? That's it.